let's try this again. It's unjust. Thank you for tuning in. Most much appreciated. I'm bringing to you an unboxing today. I haven't done one in a while. Last one I believe I actually really did was that Yagi antenna. If you'd like to see, maybe I'll just post in the comments and I'll add a card if you'd like to see that one. Not many people have watched it yet, so it is what it is. Okay. So, whoops. So here it is. This is what I'll be unboxing today. An Xbox One and Windows PC wired controller. This one's, as you can see, that's the wired controller Urban Midnight Camo. I got a blue version of this and I love it. My wife just bought this so my son and I can play games on the PC together. There's one in particular. I'm probably doing a video on that one. If my wife lets me, of course. I would like to. Gang Beasts. I bought on Steam about a week ago now. We could go the 23rd/24th. And my 4-year-old sure loves it to death. Let me tell ya. I didn't grab anything to open this with. Oops. Let me see if I got anything handy. Oh, I do. One moment. Sorry, my face gets big sometimes, doesn't it? These'll work. Not the preferred tool for this, but it'll do. It'll do in a pinch. So just go like this. Oh, come on. I should grab the scissors. Glad there's a garbage can under here. Comes in handy. Once I'm done doing this, I might just strip my whole system down and reset everything up one more time. And get some of my extensions out that I got. USB extensions. Maybe just get rid of the USB hub altogether. It's not really doing much for me. Well, actually it kind of is, I guess. Oops, that didn't open right, did it? Yeah. I need more practice at this, don't I? Feel free to leave in the comments any kind of remarks you have. It's all good fun. I'm open to anything. Big Boss Hog used to say that. May you rest in peace. There, that part's out. I'll keep them out. Side by side. On the other side of my mouse, right here. You can see. Oh, yeah. I just realized something. You can't really see any. Cameras can't see each other, which is kind of nice. But yeah, I'm using my phone as a webcam too. That's handy. See? Then we just go like this. And it just slides out. Well, here's the box. I didn't really go over it much, did I? It just shows the cable plugging into the controller. Just says a little bit about the controller. I'll go through and read it. It says dual rumble motors. That's pretty standard. Precision tuned analog sticks. I would hope so. Removable 8-foot cable. Let me tell you, it comes with an 8-foot cable, alright. Immersive experience, enhanced comfort, responsive vibration, and crystal clear stereo keep you in the game. I haven't tried that yet. I have to get a headset for that. I might get one. Since I have this one that's hooked to the PC, maybe I'll get one for my son that's hooked to the controller. He'd love that. Oh, I can't read that side. No Español. Or no Spanish. Sorry. I probably butchered that. That probably just says the same thing as the back gear does. Yeah. Definitely tell it's for Xbox. Nice green and black. Nice box. Set that aside now. Yeah, as you can see, the controller itself comes in a nice handy little white case. Let me that part bigger. Myself a wheel smaller. Sorry, I haven't really done this too much yet. Four, let's bring you up a notch. Actually, bring you up a notch. Let's make you bigger. Oop, I can't go much bigger than that. Go figure, right? Oop, I don't want that one. Sorry. I want this one. That'll work for now. So yeah. It's about the biggest I can make my phone one because it doesn't do 1080p, unfortunately. Be nice if it did, but it doesn't. So yeah. Looks pretty nice, doesn't it? I just dropped the cable. I'll show it to this one too quick. Maybe I'll make that one bigger again here in a moment. Okay, let's go ahead and pull it out. Just pops out. And that's it. So yeah. I like how these feel better than the standard Xbox One controllers, I can tell you that much. Yeah. It has your standard right sticks, standard left sticks, analogs, right? Yeah, it has your thumbsticks. It has your D-pad yet, right here. D-pad, thumbsticks. It has your home button, the start and select button, which I still call it start and select. I'm not really sure what they're called nowadays anymore. And then your A, B, X, and Y. It's pretty much your standard controller, just camo. And it does not have a battery pack because there's no wireless, so no reason to have one. It's wired, so it has a removable cable. I'll pick that up in a moment to show ya. Get up my toes. Hee. Nice not wearing socks. So yeah, let's set this over here. This is your cable. A nice long one. Here, I'm gonna make my good camera big again. Big. Make this one small again. Back up here. There we go. Actually, I could probably make it bigger. I don't need the whole screen, just some of the screen. See? 8-foot cable. When they say 8 foot, they mean it. Set that there. Something else fell too. Oh, here we go. The Stellar Instruction Manual. Let's set you over here. Bring this over here. Let's open it up. On my knee, I'm just opening it up like so. So yeah. I'll just fold it in half to kind of show you. Just operation, how to use it. Removable 8-foot USB cable. You should use any size cable or any cable that works with your cell phone will work with this. I do believe. I could test that out quick if you want. If you'd like to see a video of me using this, let me know. I can do that too. That's pretty much all it is with this. Just plug and play. It's the nice thing about Windows 10. It's just plug and play. Can't beat that. So yeah, this was the unboxing of the. Let me grab this quick. Of the Xbox One, Windows 10 PC PowerA controller, wired controller. Now we have two of them. Now my son can use one and I can use one. The way we've been playing Gang Beasts was through using. I'll show you. Oof. Was using this controller via the phone plug ID I just told you. The Samsung white cable that we have, I use that to hook this into the computer and it works great. But I kind of wanted a separate controller just for the computer, and not the Xbox One as well. I think I'm gonna fall in love with these wired ones. You don't have the weight of the battery pack in them. And man, does it feel nice. Then I just like the way it feels. But I like the way the blue one feels better though. Here, let me show you the blue one quick. Just right over here. See if I can get it out. Ooh, I like it. But yeah, this is my blue one. It's plugged in, as you can see. It has power. It's ready to go. As you can see by the white light. Of course, just unplugs and no more white light. It's basically the exact same, other than it has the blue camo instead of the white camo. Set this one aside and try the other one out quick while we're at it. See if it picks it up. It's got power. And it says it's setting it up. Ooh, let's just put this one away. I'll just keep it right here in my drawer. Says it's ready to go. Let's go pink. Clear all. Put that down. Let's see, do I have a program I could test it with quick? Sure I do. Oh, right. I gotta run Steam quick. Whoops. What game's starting up? I didn't mean to start a game. Well, I kinda did. But I guess I could've just went to Steam and done it that way. So processes. Just end this one. Yeah, there we go. Whoops, wrong one. I want my Steam. You gotta go to... Here, I'll bring this over and do a little screen capture for you. Add one. Display capture. Use existing. Okay. Whoops. I just kinda... Okay, let's shrink this one down, shall we? And maybe shrink. Actually, this one big and shrink this down some more. Shrink both these down. Just like so. Okay. Now I'm just gonna go to Steam settings and controller. And whenever you hook a new, this is also gonna be kind of how you set it up with Steam too. What I had to do to get it to work, to get my controllers to work before, was go to big picture configuration. Well, see, it's working. Put done. And where's my mousey? General controller settings. I got that set to never. I'm not worried about that. When you may need to adjust your Xbox DVR application in order for the guide to button to register. Not too worried about that. So identify. Every time you identify, it gives it a little shake. And then you can click on preferences, Xbox One controller, and rumble on, and just submit. You can do a calibrate, which shouldn't really need to do with this. Should be fine. Well, there's that. Just exit out. That's all you really need to do for that. So yeah, it's working. So I'm happy there. Yeah, I don't really need to see what's in here. I got some games I need to get playing again. Well, let's go grab you. Make you a monster again. I'm a monster. I'm a monster. Oh boy. Oh boy. Oh boy. I'm a little boy. But yeah, thank you for tuning in. That was just my little unboxing and testing of this little beauty. Like, my son's gonna be thrilled when he sees it hooked up in the morning. He'll be waking me up that I want to play a little gang beast. But yeah, if you'd like to see a video of that being played on PC, let me know and I'll see what I can do. Just leave that in the comments below. And then we'll have a good old time with that. What is the other controller? Okay, thank you. Have a good one. And I'm just signing out. Peace. Bye bye. Bye bye, baby.